Hi there, I am Sumit Vanzari, currently an MBBS intern at AIIMS Nagpur, and today in this video we are going to see how my AIIMS Nagpur hostel room looks like. This room is no less than a 3-star hotel, and the pricing of this room will shock you. The room cost you total of 990 rupees for 5.5 years. That gives less than 15 rupees per month, less than cost of a chips packet. This will amaze you, and the facilities that I am going to tell you today will surely motivate you and maybe fascinate you to choose AIIMS Nagpur as your medical college in the first place. In this video, we are going to talk about firstly what the furniture and other stuff the college provides you. Secondly, I will tell you how my desk setup looks like. Thirdly, I'll tell you the modifications that I have done in this room and the appliances that I have bought. And finally, I'll tell you what's outside my room that complements my room facilities. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro. As we have now entered in my room, let me first show you the most precious thing in my hostel room. The thing that I am so proud of is none other than this apron hanged at the back of my door. The AIIMS logo on this apron reminds me of all the hard work that I have done to get into AIIMS Nagpur, and I am sure many of you will crack NEET and get such a great college. Moving ahead, I have this large cupboard provided by the college itself. It has plenty of space to store variety of things. I use the top shelf as a storage compartment and the space above it for the same purpose. The middle one is to keep all my clothes. By the way, it's never so tidy. And the bottom compartment to keep all my books. You can see many self-help books at the front, the academic books in the back, and my handwritten notes on the left, along with some stationery items. The side compartment also provides space to keep my DAMS notes at the top, some more clothes in the middle, and at the bottom there is extra space for storage. The college also provides us with a bed and a comfy mattress, as well as curtains to block the light and also protect my privacy. Next, to the washroom. The biggest advantage of a single room is this personal washroom, fully equipped with 24/7 hot water supply, a mirror, a basin, and a commode. And there is this shower which I use daily. Our college also provides us with a fan, a tube light, and a light in the bathroom. Moving on to the second part of this video, let me show you my desk setup. As you can see, this is the SYVOWT 3130 aluminum tripod stand, which can mount my phone as well as my camera for recording videos. Next, you can see this anime mousepad by Turtle Wings with the legendary Gojo's photo on it. On this mousepad, I keep the cheapest keyboard that I could find on Amazon and the best gaming mouse by Evo Fox. My laptop, on which I did most of my videos, is the MSI GF63 with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of memory, and a 6 GB graphic card along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, which makes my video editing smooth like butter. And it also gives me the ultimate gaming experience. You can see a small tripod by Digitech. It's easy to mount phone as well as my camera and can be carried anywhere. Behind it is some stationery, a pen stand with markers and pens, a lens card case, and my VIP diary. You can also see the first prize trophy which I won in the World Osteoporotic Day quiz held in our college by the endocrinology department. Now let's see what's below this desk. There are 2 protein containers by Muscle Blaze to fulfill my 2 months protein requirement. Beside it are some boxes for some more storage space and a small table with a storage compartment. These storage drawers provide me with enough space to keep many useless things which I buy and never use again. Let's now begin the third part of this video, in which I will tell you about the various appliances that I have bought and some modifications that I have done in my room to make it more aesthetic. Firstly, these are the hooks and a rope to hang my clothes whenever I do my laundry. I hang all my clothes on it and they dry up very quickly. The laundry reminds me of this laundry bag with a very funny and practical thought on it. Laundry today or naked tomorrow. Next, I have this guitar hooks installed long back for my 2 guitars, one of which is with my friend. You know it very well. Whenever you live in a hostel, nothing is yours alone. We have to share things from time to time. I have this wonderful guitar by Yamaha. As we are talking about the musical instruments, I also have a 64 key keyboard by Casio and this violin by Arctic. If you want to hear any of your favorite songs on any of these instruments, you can comment below and I will upload them on my Instagram for sure. I also have a badminton kit by company 11 which contains my badminton as well as my lawn tennis rackets. I love playing badminton and this kit provides a handy equipment to carry all the rackets and shuttles. Next, I have this 5-star Samsung 189 liters single drawer fridge which keeps all my food cool, simultaneously saving energy. It's very useful in hot summer days of Vidarbha. I have decorated my back wall with these motivational stickers, of which I read one thought a day. The big ones go on my bathroom door. I have also sticken this 5-meter long lightning strip on my wall which changes into any color I want by a single click. All this gives my room an aesthetic look and also gives my videos a brilliant background. That reminds me of this ring light by Creo. This 18-inch light gives me a perfect lighting for my videos. And how can we forget the camera that I am shooting this video on? I have the camera Sony ZV-E10. That is the best vlogging camera available in the market. And this camera is mounted on a really good gimbal by HOSTEL. You can check out the links of these items in my affiliate links and buy them if you want to. I have installed multiple hooks on my wall for hanging clothes, medals, iCard, keys and many more. The above ones are to hang a green screen. Putting a green screen in the background turns my room into a full-fledged studio. If you want to buy any of these items, the affiliate links are mentioned below. You can use them to buy any of the items that you like. This way, you will be helping my channel to grow. I have also put a whiteboard on my wall and a small whiteboard on my desk. This way, I can write anything that I want. I usually write things that I have to do on a day on these whiteboards and do some calculations on the small one if at all needed. I can also write the things that I need to memorize on this whiteboard. This way, this proves to be a really helpful installment on this wall. Coming to the last part of this video, let's see what's outside my room. We have the water cooler by a local vendor, which is so important in this sunny season. I also have a shoe stand outside my room. This provides plenty of space to store all the shoes that I have. And this way, I don't have to bring the dirt along with the shoes inside my room. Next, we have the 24/7 high-speed Wi-Fi router from which I have connected an Ethernet cable to my laptop. This high-speed Wi-Fi allows me to upload high-quality videos. If you like any of my videos, do share and like them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's end this video. I will see you on another Friday at 6 p.m. Till then, bye bye.